up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. How often should I check the fluid in my car? The fluid is in brake fluid, transmission, oil, coolant, wiper fluid. These are fluids that you should check underneath the hood often, especially around about the winter and springtime. For the winter time, you're checking your wiper fluids and your coolant. Your coolant what heats the car. Your wiper fluids is in case you got that defrosting, and in your car you can just press a joint and defrost your windshield. Sometimes that works, sometimes it don't, and you might use other situations. But you use that for the winter time, and springtime is like when you start driving your car more often. So you checking the oil, checking the brakes, you checking the transmission. Cause this is where you are on the go in the wintertime because it's so hot. It's getting to the hot times, or it's warm, it's just right, and you want to go out and drive, and you want to be styling and profiling down the road, and you trying to race somebody like your boy ArtOfSpeedd, and you like, you don't want none. You don't want none. But anyways, so your coolant is very critical in the wintertime because of the fact that your coolant goes into a housing to cool off the car to where you can get heat. Well, I'll talk about that in another video, how it works and how the mechanism works. But I know when I had my Dodge Neon and my Sonata, I think I ran low on coolant one time in my Dodge Neon. Not like low as in to overheat low, but it was low in the reservoir as in like, whoa. And I can feel the difference from the heat coming out of the car, and I knew that I needed to put some antifreeze in my car because my car was not getting as hot where it's supposed to get because I was low on antifreeze. Like I said, your car is an investment. So take care of your car because it gets you from A to B, B to C, you know. So the car manufacturer says you should check them every 5,000 to 10,000 miles. That's 5,000 to 10,000 miles often every month. You don't have to check your transmission, your brake fluid, and the oil because if you get that routine and maintenance, that will be included. So talk to your local dealership and like, yo, what's up? But this is it. If you're enjoying the video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up. But if you're not part of the ArtOfSpeedd family, go ahead and subscribe button. And yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.